ABAS ABUJA 2020.
Yes, be still.
ABAS site ABUJA 2020.
Yes, be still.
Come one, come
all.
all. Hey, wonderful people. Yeah, it's happening. We're gonna be inviting you to the wonderful ABAS Peace March, which is gonna be taking place in FCT Abuja. Come 9th to 15th. It's gonna be wonderful and fun. Yeah, we are well prepared. The IOC, the LOC are well prepared. Come one, come all. We are all we need, and we are together. Yeah. Yeah, so Abasites, are you ready? Are you prepared for the Peace March? Are you also doing your preparation, because it's gonna be the bomb, the bomb, the bomb? We are expecting you guys. We are waiting, and we are prepared fully for you people to come down to FCT. Enjoy the movement as you are coming. I wish you all a journey mercy, because we are well prepared to host you people in FCT. We are better together. We are all we need. So thumbs up and don't fail to be there.
For they shall be called the children of God. In the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. My children, yes, today presents to you another special opportunity to be divinely fortified for the great task of ushering heavenly peace to the inhabitants of the world. Since the ideas and efforts of man have failed to bring the needed peace to the entire world, today, I stand on the eternal throne. My Father, the Commander-in-Chief of all forces and principalities in the universe, to declare you, my children, messengers of peace, to the dying world.
Yes, my name is Divine Raymond Moma. As a matter of fact, no one can prepare. The only person that can prepare is the Holy Spirit. And that is why we have come here to receive His blessings, to receive His abilities, His capabilities, His capacities, the divine blessings and guidance and His ideas for us to see the peace march through. But I know that there is nothing He has planned that is not executed. He's not a haphazard God. He's not a God that begins and stops. He's a God that begins and finishes. We're just here as instruments of His kingdom to see those things that He has asked us to do true. You know that nothing lower than 5,000 Abasites and scholars will be in FCT. You know, Abuja has an ambience that people just like to, visit. If it's other places, yes, you can say people might not, but once it's Abuja, everybody wants to come to Abuja. That the Father is working seriously in the area of security, in the area of welfare, in the area of logistics and accommodation. The Father is working very seriously in the area of visitation and courtesy calls. The Father is working very seriously in areas that has to do with the city center evangelism and even the unit evangelism. The Father is also making sure that the city will receive serious and tremendous vibration of the Holy Spirit come 9th to 15th of March. Yeah, the Father expects all Abasites everywhere they are, all nooks and crannies, even the ones outside of these shores of this country, to besiege the federal capital. Because the Father said we should go and take over. You cannot take over where you are hiding. You have to come out to take over. And the time to take over is now. The Father is working, it's a work in progress, and he's still working to make sure that the peace march will come out in top notch. It's going to be another level for peace march.
Peace in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ.
Amen.
I am Christ Ambassador Mark, IOC Chairman, Peace March 2020 Abuja. You see, Abuja is a very special place. It's the center of Nigeria, and we have great expectations as far as this peace march is concerned. In terms of the population we are expecting in Abuja, it will be very difficult to estimate for now. Yeah, it will be very difficult to estimate for now, but we're expecting nothing less than 20 to 30,000 Abasites. That's from Nigeria alone. We're equally expecting delegations from outside the country. From Ghana they will come, from USA they will come, from UK they will come. From neighboring African countries they will be there. So the population right now, wow, it will be wonderful. Yes, we have a wonderful team in our local organizing committee in Abuja, and they've assured me that language will not be a barrier. In fact, right now, we have had some collaborations that is helping us translate the Father's Gospel to the Hausa language. In fact, as I'm speaking right now, that collaboration has gone far in ensuring that the Father's Gospel is translated to the Hausa language. And it's not only Hausa, because I know Abuja, there are some tribes in Abuja that do not speak Hausa. So this intervention too will equally reach out to them to ensure that the Father's Gospel gets to all of these tribes. We are very grateful to the Father that He approved the theme for this march for us. The theme is Leader Olumba Olumba Obu, the giver of peace. And the slogan is Peace be still. In the Father's address during the ABAS fellowship He made it clear to us that he's sending us to Abuja to reconstruct Nigeria for peace. He's sending us to Abuja to reclaim that which the children of God had lost from time immemorial. He told us that from independence up till now, there are some of these things that have been denied the children of God. And going to Abuja will enable the Holy Spirit to reclaim all those things that have been denied the children of God. And this peace march will make it very possible.
My name is Eminent Beauty Eric. I'm the international mother of ABAS. Yeah. In the name of our Father is Holiness Olumbolu.
Amen.
In the awesome power of our Father is Holiness Olumbolu.
Amen.
Now and forevermore.
Amen.
We thank the Father immensely for his love, for his kindness, for his grace and mercy upon our lives. We thank him immensely because without him we will not be here. And we thank him for the year 2020, for out of his love and mercy, he has brought back the peace march to Nigeria. Because last year we were in Ghana, and this year, because actually the Father wants us, his children, because to come out en masse. Because last year most of his children were yearning to be part and parcel of the peace march in Ghana, but due to finance, most of them couldn't go. But I know that's to me, that's the much reason why the Father has brought it to Nigeria, Abuja, and he wants to use this event to make a difference, which I know very well. In the name of our Father is Holiness Olumbolu.
Amen.
Because when the Father speaks, all he wants from us is to move. And since he has given us the mandate to move, I know this match Abuja 2020 will be, because whether an ABASite have money or not, you want to see himself or herself in Abuja, which the Father will grant all of us that privilege. In the name of our Father is Holiness Olumbolu.
Amen.
What are we expecting? Yeah, not we expecting. The Father is expecting much from us. We are going to Abuja. He's sending us to Abuja to make a difference, to tell the world, because it's Abuja that owns Nigeria, whether you like it or not. For now, he wants us to let's do the federal
Capital territory.
to know that it's only Olumba that reigns
Yes.
and rules.
Supreme.
Because most of them are there doing their own, but for him to send us down to Abuja, he wants us those people to know that he is indeed present and in all, because he owns all of us. Most of them there, even within us, we've not known that the Father is everything to us. Through this peace march, Abuja 2020, the whole world will know, because already he has revealed himself. So he's taking it step by step to make sure to let people know that what he has revealed in 2018 and 2019 is a continuous process. He's doing it over and over again. That's why he has sent the ABASites to Abuja, and it's a great privilege to put peace in Abuja and Nigeria as a whole. Definitely. We thank the Father. I think the Father cannot do
Yes, even 10,000 because we are more than 10,000.
And that is what the Father is expecting us to, is expecting from us to come en masse. Even the 10,000 you just said is just a figure that we want to say.
Okay.
Because what we expect, what the Father is expecting from us is will even be more than that 10,000.
Yeah, so guys, this is the International Organizing Committee Chairman, Christ Ambassador.
Chukwudi Madoke.
Yeah, and I am Sister Ukeme Ekanem, the Media and Publicity Secretary. So, come March 9th to 15th is the ABAS International Peace March. ABAS, which is the
Association of Brotherhood Academic Scholars.
Yeah, that is a body in Brotherhood of the Cross and Star, which has to do with the university students, the secondary school, primary school, master's degree holders. Provided you are a scholar, please come out, come all. We are all together and we are better together.
Yes,
So please don't forget to come down.
We are all taught by the Holy Spirit, so we are scholars of God.
Yes. So be you old, young, you are a scholar, provided you have passed through the secondary school to the university level, you are a scholar. Irrespective of who you are, please, you are invited down to Abuja to come and grace this wonderful peace march.
Yes, as we said earlier, the theme is leader Olumba Obu, the giver of peace.
Yeah.
And the slogan is
Peace be still.
Peace be
still. Yes, so guys, you've seen the ABAS International Mother. This is a mother of all, the mother of all the 36 states in Nigeria. She is the mother of all, the international mother, the mother of the whole world. You can imagine that, and imagine how she's going to be feeding 10,000 Abasites. It's not an easy job, it's not an easy task. Kudos to her because she's well prepared and she's not shaking. So we are expecting you all in Abuja come 9th to 15th 2020 March, this March 2020, to come and catch fun and also declare the Father's name. Tell the whole world that Olumba Obu is here. He has come to live and he has not come, he has come to tell people that there is God on earth. Tell people that what we are doing, we should not go far to look for God, that God is here on earth, dwelling amongst men. So guys, we are expecting you guys come 9th March 2020 in FCT Abuja.